Kasama yun. Sana may birit din si Earth. Bumilit din. Siya tumapos. Nawala na si Earth. Ay, gaga. Napindot ko. Sorry. Lonely but exciting road.
So they say you can make the impression you want on the world. So you make it up.
Si ano nag-produce? Ay, si ano naman pala talaga lahat. Si ano? Pangalan? Coreless.
Jowa niya?
Hindi. Ang cute noon. Gusto ko yung mga ganong guy. Nerdy. Tapos nahihiya siya magpa-picture. Nagpa-picture kasi ako sa kanya. Tapos
The Drops of Death with Coreless.
Nahihiya siya. Ay! Ang ganda na nung ending. Hindi na siya crashing. Oh my God, gusto ko yung piano. No. Pinapiano niya yan yung Coreless. Honestly, gusto ko matuto mag-ganyan yung yung tawag na bagong piano. Parang techno na piano. Synthesizer. Sobrang daming synthesizers nung kanta ko na bago. Na ang tagal-tagal nang nakatenga kasi ang dami kong ginawa. Hindi maka-record ng music video. Pag nag-record ako ng music video, lalabas ko na yun. Gusto ko may music video. Hi, Nicole Pardo, if nanonood ka. Miss you too. Napabidrap ako sa ako din. Iba yung akin eh. Ano yung tawag sa fan kick? Ayun na. Tapos na. Natapos na lahat. What do you mean? Okay, papakinggan ko na siya ng with earphones tonight.
Yeah.
Tonight. Pakinggan ko daw to Lux by Rosalia. Someone suggested. Divanese. How do you read this? Divinize. Porcelana. Berghain. Okay. Sexo, violencia, iliantas. Reliquia. Neo Cristo Piange Diamanti. Berghain. La Perla. Mundo Nuevo. De Madruga. Dios en un stalker. Es un stalker. Diusas. Alam niyo ba yung diusas? Guys. Diusa. It's a goddessa in language that I just discovered. And also, I learned some words from that language. It's hola bonecas. Nakalimutan ko na. Nakalimutan ko. Okay, tapusin ko na lang to. Yugular. Sauvignon Blanc. La Rumba del Perdón. Memoria. Magnolias. Try nga natin isa. Divinize. Hindi tama ang ginawa niya sa Jusa. Marina Summers hair.
Divinize. Intervention.
Ayan, may translation na. Through my body, you can see the light. Bruise me up, I'll eat all of my pride. I know that I was made to divinize. Oh my god, what the fuck? It's a divinize. I'll use that word. Diviniziana. Outside me, inside me, outside me, inside me. Ay fuck, kinarat siya. She always hungers for you. You the king, command her. She feels most love in the body's vertigo. A sating absence, chasing grace, discomfort's delicious. Divine void.
Make someone divine.
Yeah. She said divine void. La divina boudoir. Widor. And the rays of the moon nourish her with cold, and deprivation is indulgence. Done in the name of love, each vertebra reveals a mystery. Pray on my spine, it's a rosary. Gagnesa! Pray on my spine, it's a rosary. Through my body, you can see the light. Bruise me up, I'll eat all of my pride. I know that I was made to divinize. God, she ate these lyrics, y'all. Inside me, outside me, inside me, outside me. The lines of her body are starting to dissolve. Back to the border, not everyone gets it. And she doesn't expect it. They think this is the end, but it's only the beginning. Baphomet. Not the same lyrics as mine. Through my body, you can see the light. Bruise me up, I'll eat all of my pride. I know that I was made to divinize. Outside me, inside me, outside me. Gagnesa! Meron kaming same na lyrics sa future song ko. So, yes, I love it. Great minds think alike. And we were made to divinize. Okay, matulog na. At makikinig na ng naka-AirPods. Matulog na po tayo sa 100,027,000 viewers. Bye everyone! I'll see you soon! Usap tayo soon. I miss you all. I'll see you soon on one of my shows.